In this video, I will walk you through how to trade futures in the Pionex app. If you want to get an exclusive sign-up bonus, you'll find the sign-up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign-up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Alright, so once we are inside the app right here, we can now go to the futures trading by simply going down here to trade. Then we'll get to this trading page right here. First of all, we can see right here our available balance. So if you don't have any here yet, you can just click on this plus icon and swap it over from another account. And if you don't have any money yet on your Pionex account, you first need to go down here to wallet, choose the cryptocurrency, click on deposit, and then you can easily send money to your account. If you need more help on that, I have many more tutorials on my channel where I'll show you step by step how to deposit money on Pionex. All right, so now let's jump right into the trading platform. First of all, up here, you can choose the trading pair. So you can just click on here, choose which coin you want to trade. Right next to it, we have this button, which is important because it lets you expand this trading chart. You can choose timeframes up here and easily check what the price chart is currently doing. If you click on that again, it's minimized again. And down below, we have this control center on the left side where we can open our trades. You can choose your leverage, choose the order type, position size, add a take profit or stop loss, and eventually then down here go long or short. And on the right side, we have the order book. And at the bottom down below, here we can later on see our opened trades as well as our open orders or our history. All right, so let's go back up again and open our first trade. So let's go here to buy. Let's open a long trade. First, we can choose our margin type in here. I recommend you to leave that on isolated for the beginning. For the leverage, I'm going to stick with a 5x for now. And then down below, I'm going to choose market to open the order immediately. And now I can set my order value, so my position size. I have different options to choose that, either by quantity in BTC, by value in USDT, which means your entire position size in USDT, or by cost, which means how much of your own capital you're using inside of this trade. I personally like by value in USDT the most because then I can just simply say I want to have a $500 position size. And that means that we will use $100 of our own capital because with the 5x leverage, that will mean 100 times 5 will equal the entire position size of $500. You could also go back in here and choose by cost and type in $100. That would effectively do the same. And we can later on check all the values again when we open it finally down here. I will show you in just a bit. But first, let's also add a take profit or stop loss. Just click on this check mark right here. We can either type in the prices or click on advanced. And then we have different options, either choose it by price, by P&L, or by P&L as a percentage. I personally like P&L the most because now I can just say, let's use the slide controller. I want to make around $30 of profit, which also means 30% because we're using $100 of our own capital for that. And you can see at a price of $72,500. Same goes for the stop loss. Let's say I want to make a maximum of $8 of a loss, which will be at this price right here. Let's hit confirm. So we have that all set up in here, an estimated profit and estimated loss. We can see that all again and the prices. Let's hit buy long. And now we can see the overview again. $500 will be the entire position size, which equals 0.0073 Bitcoin. And your order cost, so how much of your own capital you invest inside this trade, will be the $100. Because of the 5x, it means 100 times 5 will equal the $500 position size. All right, let's click confirm. And now we are already inside of our trade. We can also see that down here, all the important information. First, we can see it's a Bitcoin trade. It's a long trade with a 5x leverage. Here we can see our currently opened profit or loss in dollars and as a percentage. Down here, we can see our position size in Bitcoin. And on the right side here in USDT, the $500 and our margins, our own capital inside this trade, the $100. Right below it, we can also see our average entry price into this trade, the current price, and on the right side, the liquidation price. Liquidation price means if we don't have a stop loss in this trade, we currently have one, which you can also see down here, but let's say we don't have one and the price would drop this much down to the $54,800, then this trade right here would be so-called liquidated, which means it would be closed automatically by the platform and we would lose our entire margin, our own capital in this trade. But of course, we can prevent that from happening by placing a stop loss beforehand, which we already did down here. If you tap on this right here, we can see it. Here's our take profit. Here's our stop loss. You can easily edit any of these values by going onto this pen icon in here. Or if you also want to do that, you can of course also delete them. And then if you want to do that later on, just add new ones. As you can see, we get back to the screen right here where you can just place a new take profit for the entire position or also partial, which is also possible. So if you want to close parts of your trade and add multiple ones, for example, that's also possible in here. All right, so let's go back. And lastly, I also want to show you how you can increase or decrease your position size later on. You can do that by just going up, go to buy market again, and do as if you would open another trade. Let's say I want to add $200 again to this trade. Click on buy long and confirm. And now you will see I've increased my position size down here to $700, and also my margin has increased to $140. So that's how you can increase your trade. If you want to decrease it, so the other way around, just go down here to close, choose how much you want to close. Let's say I want to close half of it, 50%. Click on confirm. Then you will see I've now taken out half of the position size to $350, and also my margin is now only half to 70. And because I actually was in profit in this trade, I've also taken some partial profits, 10 cents in this case, which you can see down here. By the way, you can also edit your leverage later on, because we've set that up in the beginning right here, but that's not set in stone forever for this trade. You can also edit that later on by just clicking on this pen icon right here, and then you can increase or decrease your leverage later on. If you increase it, that means you get some freed up capital that you can use for whatever you want, but your liquidation price will come a bit closer. Same goes for the other way around. If you decrease your leverage, that means some additional margin needs to be pulled from your available capital into the trade. But on the other hand, that means that your liquidation price has more breathing room. So that's the effect of changing your leverage later on. All right, in the end, if you want to close the entire trade, you can either just go here to close, choose 100%, or just click on close all up here, hit confirm, and then you're also out of the entire trade with just one click again. Don't forget to claim your sign-up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.